urban commuting just got a serious IQ boost. Meet the Niu MT 2026, the electric moped that's officially bringing high-tech to the masses. I'm Ava, and this is the smartest way to navigate the city. Niu stays true to its iconic DNA with the MT 2026, clean, minimalist, and forward-looking. The signature halo headlight has been sharpened for better night visibility, while the high-strength steel frame and triple-adjustable hydraulic suspension are wrapped in a sleek, aerodynamic body that feels as solid as it looks. What makes the MT 2026 a game-changer is its entry-level but top-spec approach. The heart of the machine is a high-efficiency 72V system that delivers a solid 110-kilometer range on a single charge. But the real star is the technology, a vibrant TFT color display with car-grade AI navigation. Through the Magic Wheel interaction, you can control your smartphone, music, and GPS without ever taking your hands off the grips. On the road, it's agile and incredibly smooth, thanks to consistent torque delivery that makes city inclines feel like flat ground. And for the first time in this segment, you get dual-channel disc brakes and an optional ABS system, ensuring that your quick city sprints are as safe as they are fast. It's practical, it's connected, and it's surprisingly fun to ride. The MT 2026 is aimed directly at the heart of the market, challenging the Segway 9bot Max series and the Gogoro 2. While competitors might offer similar range, Niu's integration of DeepSeek AI and a more motorcycle-like chassis gives it a massive edge in both tech and ride quality. It's basically offering flagship features at an entry-level price point. The Niu MT 2026 is a bold step forward for urban mobility. It's smart, it's safe, and it's incredibly stylish. Is this the scooter that finally makes you ditch your car for the city? Let me know in the comments. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next one.